Alright guys, look what it's doing. Yeah, snow. It's pretty neat. Get all the little white flakes. So, yeah, today I'm going to take the truck to the store to get some gum, and I get to drive in snow. Check out what I got here. I got the ugly wheels on. Look, I actually have tread. Alright, see, just like that, the truck's cleared off. And I'm ready to do some snow driving. Oh, excuse the shivering, it is pretty fucking cold. Oh, God. Oh, Billy. Floor and defrost, maximum temp. Okay, there we go. Turn the fan down just a titch so you guys can still hear me. But, yep, it's snowing out. I have snow tires on, but still it's snowing. And, it's just going to make things a little bit interesting, that's all. Like that. Because, you know, it's a tar and chip road to begin with. And, you know, there's snow. You want to see what the brakes are like? This is going to be fun. Full brakes. Oh, I actually felt the rear ABS. You never feel rear ABS in this truck. I know I'm just going to the store to get a pack of gum, but I mean, come on. I can't just go right to the store. It's snow, and I love driving in snow. And maybe today, I might get a chance to take out the old 300 E6 and, you know, do snow shit in it. Yeah, because my quad's more fun than my truck in the snow. The way it handles and everything, I feel more comfortable dealing with it. Ooh, someone already did a donut here. I'm not even the first one to do a donut. So loved. Okay, so put her down to manual first gear. The temperature is up a little. I'm not going to exceed 2,500 RPM. So, that being said, let's whip it around a little. Holding it at 1,500 RPM. That was 1,500 RPM, and I did a donut. Here, I'm actually gonna get out and like take a picture of it. So that's it for this clip. But yeah, lots and lots of fun. Like I'm like a little schoolgirl right now. Like this is tons of fun. All right, so back to driving. The snow is falling very rapidly, which means I might get a chance to go up in the field and ride. I think I only have one video where like I actually ride in snow. It's like fresh, new content. The rest of my snow driving is, you know, footage borrowed from that. So, yeah, very interesting. Driving in the snow, you know, kind of fun. It might be a little scary to some, because everything's like cold and belts are cold, and my truck's like not even really up to temperature yet. I'm gonna keep it below 2,500 when I get her going. But like here, I'm up at a stop. It's uphill. 1,200 RPM, 1,200 RPM. And she was spinning, so I mean, I don't even have to like rev her. Yesterday, before I put on the snow tires, it was raining. It was raining pretty hard, and my truck, you know, doesn't get traction at all. So it made things interesting. It made things pretty interesting. I'll give it that. Like, put it this way. I stepped on the gas, the truck hit 5,000 RPM in like a second. It was crazy, but it was fun. A little bit scary, but I'm just sitting there, you know, doing a burnout, got some smoke going. But I put on these tires, of course. I don't want to burn them off, but if you get your tires to spin and keep spinning at less than 2,500 RPM, you're not damaging tires. I mean, at that point, it's like, you know, perfect sledding traction. Alright, now she's a little bit more up to temperature. That was all. See, I didn't even exceed 3,000 RPM, and here I am just. And yeah, it's ice underneath the snow. That's why it's doing it like this. Mustang in it. That time there was like some actual oversteer to be had. Pretty taking fun, right? So I know it probably doesn't look like much from the cab, but like I'm actually doing like some serious work here, keeping the thing straight. Bing bing, bong bong. Alright. Well, now it's time to actually get gum. Alright, so back from Dollar General here. I got my stuff in my bag. Dropped my phone on the seat. It's still snowing pretty hard. You guys can probably tell by my windows getting more and more covered because, you know, we're sitting still when it's snowing. And it's like the wet snow too, and it's slushy with ice underneath. Really fun stuff. Interesting, at least. Yep, that was some wheel spin. The parking lot here is just kind of slushy. It's a little bit more manageable. There. When I pull out, I just learned always put the truck in manual first gear so it can't hunt for gears and give you like 80 mile per hour of wheel spin. If you start breaking loose, it's just a little bit more manageable and a little bit easier to get back when you let off the gas. And then when you get up to speed and you're not slipping, shit, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, now's not the time to be doing this. Oh, patch of ice there. That was some good old-fashioned American fun there, going sideways. I got it on a little bit harder than like I really feel comfortable with, and that's because you know, it's like blind there. It's a blind hill. You want to get going, you barely get on the gas, and then you're spinning, and then you finally get going straight. And then you just want to put some speed down, and then of course you get some speed down, you hit a bump, and back ends all over God's half acres. That's some good old-fashioned, like, proper American oversteer. You know what I mean? Like proper, just American oversteer. Can I make it? No. I can't make it in there. This road is bad. Alright, I have to slow down like way before my intersection or else I'm not even going to be able to make it in. As you see, I missed a turnoff for that road. And like, I was on the brakes. What I felt was a decent time. I wasn't even on them that hard. And she was just, yeah. Rear wheel drive. Hopefully people can see me. Just a couple semi-trucks are holding up traffic, so I gotta wait a while to turn. I just hope someone doesn't come up and rear end me. Oh, fuck me. They got like 50 cars. Okay, come on, buddy. Don't you fucking cut me off. Come on. He put a siren on behind me, so apparently that was like one of the... That's not the way I wanted to go. But it's so hard to see out my things because they're so fogged up. So now I gotta like loop around if I want to go that way, or just not even go that way. I know, this snow driving stuff, interesting to say the least. Because this back mirror is fogged up, I could barely see out of it. Like I could kind of tell, I could see lights and kind of pieces of grills. So like I have an idea of where, shit, fuck, goddamn, turn on the fucking road. Alright, now this is like pure snow driving. You can't go anywhere near a brake in a turn. You can't go anywhere near a gas in a turn without going on it sideways. Your steering is iffy. I mean, this is like proper snow driving. I'm glad I'm driving on this because, you know, this is really teaching me a lesson of like what to do. Because it's still early in the morning. They haven't even plowed yet. I'm gonna regret doing this in the worst way. Get some of the fog out. Alright, so I guess back here and just kind of see how dank I could get. My tracks are barely even visible right now from, you know, my previous donuts and everything. But see, yeah, I should probably keep my practicing here and not on like actual roadways because, you know, there's like people and like emergency vehicles and shit going down now because apparently someone can't handle snow driving. I could barely handle this. There. Now it's time to practice doing a donut from this side. I just don't want to hit that curb. It feels weird coming towards that. I'm practicing 180s now, like snow 180s. So much understeer, god damn. It's hard to get right because when you have such steering angle, you kind of forget that your steering doesn't really work. Like when you have your steering at lock, your steering really doesn't work, and I don't know. Just remember, because doing a 180, you have so much steering angle. Good thing I'm practicing though. I don't even know where this road is. So cute. Alright, apparently that's off the road. Okay, turn around down here. I don't want to get crazy because I don't know where, like, this parking lot goes in the grass, and I'll definitely get stuck if I go in the grass. Perfect, perfect. Let's take this left-hander here. Get my wipers going steady. This is like actually too tight to turn around, even if you try to do a donut here. Yeah, I'm definitely learning some stuff. Definitely learning some stuff. Alright, well, that concludes it for this clip. Well, I made it back home safely. I was probably out there for like half an hour, but good experience anyway.